This Gudi Padwa was different. I'll tell you how. There's this something about coming back home for festivals. It hits different. I was super tired from travel. Like, I reached yesterday at around 9 or 10. So I slept early and woke up very late. No stress, no alarms, just home comfort. And today it was Gudi Padwa. My mom wasn't feeling well, so we weren't really planning to celebrate this year. Then, while ordering daily essentials on Zepto, I saw this cute little goodie, and I was like, okay, no, we are celebrating. So, I started with cleaning the puja ghar, gave all the gods a proper bath, set everything nicely, and then it happened. It was so cute. I just, felt in love with it instantly. Did the aarti, and in that moment, it didn't matter how big or small the celebration was, it just felt right. My mom had office, so she left early, and then it was just me and my brother. We decided to make lunch ourselves, simple but perfect. That is, aloo sandwich. Gudi Padwa is the start of a new year and new beginnings, positivity, and hope. And honestly, making that simple meal reminded me how much I miss home food and cooking in general. Obviously, my brother helped me and we cooked together. I love making sandwiches this way, making all the batter together, aloo and all the veggies, and then putting it on the bread and simply tossing it on the tawa with some butter. Even my brother loves it. Like, just see how much butter he's applying on the bread. So yeah, we cooked it, and somewhere between all of this, I realized how grateful I am, to be at home, to celebrate like this, doing all the rituals, cooking, and just having a slow, slightly lazy day with family. Honestly, the best way to start the new year. I wish you all a happy Gudi Padwa with all the happiness and health in the coming year. I know it's late, but yeah, wish you a very happy new year. And just like that, I completed cooking and see how tempting it looks. Like, hostel food could never do this. And when I tasted it, trust me, guys, it was so tasty that, all the food, the veggies, the sauce, just wholesome. Then I went ahead and made a rangoli. It was not necessary, but it was the first day of the year, so why not? I just made a small border kind of a thing, and yeah. Then I had some plans for, doing some photo shoot and filming some videos, so I did that. Did some house chores and got ready and cut some fresh watermelon for myself. Then I went down for some walk and meet a friend over there. The view was so calming, and we had some ice cream. Then I came back home with a packed dinner. My mom came home and we called it a day with ice cream and watching Dhurandhar too. Obviously, we didn't sleep that night.